Welcome to the MobileMechanic 757. Here we get down straight to the point.
All right, so I'm going to tell you some things on your battery that you probably don't understand what's happening. All right, so this battery was manufactured in February of 2024. Most batteries that I ever seen has a sticker somewhere to let you know when it was manufactured, so you know how old the battery is. The next thing you want to know is what all this crap means. This is telling you what group size or size battery that will fit in this car. If you alter this number whatsoever, this is what's going to happen. It needs 850 cranking amps to get this vehicle started. Cold cranking amps, I do apologize. So that's on a cold day. The starter itself has its own motor to turn this big motor. So with that being said, you got to have enough cranking amps. So if you change that number, you probably won't have this right, and your car will probably run like crap or won't even start at all. This right here is the reserve time. So if this right now, the customer's battery dies, the alternator dies, this customer has 150 minutes to get to wherever they're going to go, because this is a heavy duty battery, to get where they need to go to get that replaced. That's it. The alternator, which is way down there, right where my finger is at, charges the battery. The computer controls how much power is going to this battery based upon the load. In other words, are you hitting the gas? Are you turning on the air condition? It has to regulate it. There's a big wire. Let me see if I can show you. That's right here. All alternators have it. Let me zoom in on it. There you have it right there. That is connected to the alternator. That's how you're getting power from the alternator. The other little plug that you see that's right under that big wire is where the computer controls how much voltage and amperage is coming from this alternator. That goes all the way to the battery, and then it goes back and forth. They work hand in hand. If you have a crappy battery, you're going to make the alternator or the computer to really think, oh, I need more power, and it's going to just go extremely high to the point that it will literally burn itself up. There's a voltage regulator inside that alternator. It will burn itself up, and now you need a new alternator because your battery is crap. So if you have to keep continuously jumping your car, you guarantee you're going to be replacing the alternator one way or Sunday if you keep doing that. Also, your car is not going to run correctly anyway, and you might put yourself in a situation that you might break down somewhere that's not safe. You don't want that. And I don't know anything in life that's conveniently going to say, okay, this is a good time to break down and help happen to this person. I don't want this to happen to you. With that being said, oh, here's a bonus. Okay, batteries are extremely expensive. Do not buy the 90-day batteries that the stores are offering you. It might sound cheap, but you're going to get what you pay for, and it's never going to last 90 days. This is going to be a piece of garbage. If you are on a tight budget, this is tight budget only, you could take the same information, 65 group, 850 cranking amps, go to Walmart and get yourself a battery if you're on a tight budget. I've seen Walmart batteries last for a couple of years, so I can't knock Walmart whatsoever. I've used Walmart batteries myself. With that being said, that is just in case you're on a tight budget. And I live in the same economy you do. I hate my gas bill. I hate my electric bill. I hate all the bills that come in. I don't know. They don't take me out at all. They don't ask me how my day is, but they do a lot of bad things to me, these high bills. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that follow button. And remember, that's right, you are awesome.